Today we are tinting the windows on my Rocket Bunny 86. They already look tinted actually, but they are not. And I'm going with the lightest tuning. I just want to get rid of some of the heat. Tuning windows is the most illegal thing you can do in Sweden, so I want to keep it sort of discreet. So I'm going to show you in the sunlight what it looks like before and after. And you guys that have these cars or any coupe, you know that when you open the door, the window goes down. To stop that from happening, you just loosen this one. So it is actually kind of tinted, factory tinted. It is. I haven't really noticed that before. Yeah, as I said, my windows were already factory tinted. So the left one has a 50-50 tinted now, and the right one is standard. And from where I stand, they look almost the same. So yeah, you see he's working on the left one, and the right one is stock, but for me, from here, it looks the same. So the factory tint doesn't show. You can compare with the front screen. It is actually perfect the way it is from factory. But I'm hoping to reduce the heat in the car. Alright, so it got a bit darker than I was planning to. First of all, there was factory tinted, or the windows are factory tinted. I don't know the percentage, but I would say 70-30, or even more actually, because 70-30 is the standard one, so 60-40 maybe. And they didn't have the kind of tinted film that I wanted, so they put on 50-50. So this is too dark, because I wanted something very discreet. Here you can clearly see that the windows are tinted. They are greasy now. I'm gonna wipe them off and show you, but yeah, they're clearly tinted. I think this is like I have on my 350Z RS. So yeah, it sucks. It looks cool, of course it does. It looks cool, and the whole point of shielding of heat, that will work. But I wanted the new film, the kind of the one that they call nano film, where you can have something lighter but it still shields off heat like a darker film. But yeah, the work is good. If you want tip in Malmö for tinting windows, just holler at me and I will let you know. But yeah, this is dark. At night it's gonna be really dark. So this is super illegal. Sorry to say, but this is super illegal. But I'm gonna wipe them off and show you some more. Yeah, you see from this angle it's totally black. Well, now it's done, and now it's onto this car. Here we are again, late summer evening. It's still it's not too dark outside, but as you can see, the windows are really tinted, and I have a light right there glowing in the front screen. Yeah, it looks cool. I don't know about the heating thing. I still had to use my AC today. Yeah, this is what 50-50 looks on a sort of stock tinted window.